Google search Krakow free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest CAT mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solution to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello guys, welcome to Krakow video series. This is a very important reminder about the registration for the CAT 2022 examination. The application form for the CAT 2022 exam will be closed on September 14th, that is day after tomorrow at 5 p.m. So if you haven't already applied for the CAT 2022 exam, please do register before this deadline. Also, if you have started the form filling process but you haven't finished it, please do finish it soon and submit it to avoid any last minute hassles. And also, while filling the CAT form, please make sure that you enter the details correctly, because remember that you cannot make changes to the form once submitted. Also, once you have submitted your CAT form, you can only make changes to your photograph, signature and your test city preference. And also you can only make these changes during the correction window only, which will be about only 3 days after the deadline. And also remember that the application deadline for the CAT exam was extended in the past, but remember that we can't be sure about that in the present year. So please don't take any chances and fill the form ASAP if you haven't already filled it. And also, if we take a look at the other important dates, the admit card will be released on October 27th and the CAT exam date is on November 27th. So there are hardly 2.5 months remaining for the CAT 2022 exam. So this is the time you should be getting very serious about your preparation. If you haven't already started preparing seriously, and if you want to start your preparation seriously from now, you can enroll to our 75 days CAT crash course. So you can visit the link given in the description below, the crash course link. You can check out the course details. We are offering the 75-day crash course at a discounted price of only 7,499. So this is a comprehensive crash course which covers the entire CAT syllabus from basics to advanced. You'll be getting 1000 excellent videos, and these 1000 videos include 200 plus concept videos. Also, you'll be getting detailed daily schedule. So you can look at the schedule here. So this is an excellent study plan prepared by the experts, and if you're planning to prepare for the CAT, you can follow this schedule. Also, if you are not enrolled to this crash course, you can simply download this daily schedule, daily preparation plan for free. So even if you are not an enrolled student, you can download this daily study plan PDF and you can simply follow that study plan. Apart from this, if you are not enrolled, you can check out our free resources. We offer CAT previous papers and also 3 free CAT mocks and the daily targets. So these are some free resources we are offering. You can also download the quant formula sheets. So for every quant topic, we have provided all the important formulas and some of the most important questions to solve for the CAT. Now coming back to the crash course, you can take a look at the detailed daily schedule by visiting the link given in the description. So apart from the daily schedule and concept videos covering all the key concepts, you will be getting 150 revision videos, 1600 excellent questions, weekly live sessions. So this is a very important part of the course. You will also be having live sessions conducted by Maruti sir and Saili ma'am. So if you have any doubts in the preparation or regarding any concept, you can ask those questions in the live session. Additionally, you'll be getting the CAT daily target, 100 plus concept notes and solved example sets, 15 CAT mocks and 45 CAT sectionals. Also, coming to the mocks, as we know, taking mocks is a very important part of your preparation. So if you haven't already started taking the mocks, please start them soon. Start taking from this week. Try to take at least 2 mocks per week, because taking mocks is extremely important, and also analyze the mocks well. While taking the mocks, remember to experiment during the mocks. That is, you need to experiment with your strategies and you need to come up with the strategy that suits you the best, and that is why mocks are extremely important. And you need at least 2.5 months to take good number of mocks, experiment well, come up with your final strategy and implement it in the actual exam. You can also avail OMET mocks. So if you're preparing for other MBA entrance exams, you can also check out the mocks we are offering for other MBA entrance exams such as ZAT, SNAP, CMAT and so on. And especially if you're preparing for the NMAT and the SNAP MBA exams, we are also providing crash course for the same. So the links to the NMAT and SNAP crash courses are given in the description box below, and these are excellent crash courses. These are prepared by the experts, which covers the entire syllabus comprehensively, and also you'll be getting 10 mocks for SNAP and 5 adaptive mocks for NMAT. And finally, if you have any other doubts regarding the CAT crash course or any other crash course that we are offering, please feel free to call us on our support number 630-323-9042. You can also check out our student discussion forum Kraku Adda, wherein you can post and discuss your doubts regarding your preparation or MBA exams, B schools, etc. with your peers and also exam experts. So thank you so much guys, and all the best for your preparation.